the Alma Dam Bridge. Also to commend Mr. President for the quick reaction by dispatching the Vice President alongside him as NEMA and the Northeast Development Commission. On our part, the forum will do the needful to support our colleague. But from what we've seen in the media, it's truly a major disaster in which we would also try to see ourselves. We know the hardship and challenges that people will go through, and we know also the Excellency is up to the task in making sure we bring support to the people and turn things around immediately as soon as possible. We just pray for Allah's guidance in this process and wish the people of the state good tidings, and we pray for them. I know the strong challenges people having displaced from their homes, and we wish them well and continue to pray for them. Thank you very much.
And then we first and foremost welcome you to Maiduguri. And then we also, on behalf of the government and people of Borno State, convey my deep appreciation to the Nigerian Governors Forum, and in particular to this delegation for sympathizing with us over the flooding that has happened few days ago. It is very devastating incidents, because we have never witnessed such kind of flooding in the history of Borno State. We have some aged people in this town who are up to 95 years, and they confess that they have never seen such magnitude of flooding in Borno State. However, as faithful human beings, we believe that it is an act of God, and we believe that Almighty Allah will bring ease to us after the hardship. The flooding has submerged up to 40% of the landmass of Maiduguri Metropolitan Council, Nigeria, and other local government areas of Borno State. This magnitude of such flood is so huge, and therefore I want you to convey the beliefs of the government of Borno State to the federal government through the Nigerian Governors Forum on the need to provide immediate support to the government of Borno State. If I am to address this crisis alone, I don't think subvention for the next 8 years will solve such crisis. However, we remain entirely grateful to the federal government of Nigeria, because the President has immediately sent the Vice President of the federal government of Nigeria and federal agencies to come to the aid of the flood victims. In addition to this recent support that we received from the federal government, we also go in alleviating the immediate sufferings of the people, since the funds are already utilized as of now. On this note, let me once again welcome you to the Maiduguri and also